In today's video, we're comparing Proton VPN versus IPVanish to determine which one is the best overall VPN and which is better for multi-device households. Stick around, because we'll dive into some key differences and real-world performance, plus I'll share my recommendation for a better alternative at the end. First, let's start with Proton VPN. It's a top contender when it comes to security and privacy. Proton VPN is based in Switzerland, which has some of the best privacy laws in the world. If you're after a VPN with strong encryption and a solid no-logs policy, this could be an excellent choice for you. It's especially great for those who prioritize privacy over speed, since its servers are optimized for security, not just performance. But here's the catch: while Proton VPN is great for privacy, it can be a little slow compared to other VPNs, especially if you're in a location far from their servers. Next, Proton VPN offers some great features like Secure Core, which routes your traffic through multiple servers to increase anonymity, but again, this can slow down your connection further. Now, let's talk about IPVanish, which is marketed as the best VPN for multi-device households. IPVanish stands out with its ability to support unlimited simultaneous connections. If you have multiple devices running at once, say smartphones, tablets, laptops, and even smart TVs, this feature can be a game changer. IPVanish also boasts decent speed and a solid no-logs policy, which is important for privacy. However, while it's great for multi-device use, IPVanish isn't perfect. The downside here is that its server network isn't as expansive as Proton VPNs, which can affect connection quality, especially if you're looking for servers in less common regions. Also, IPVanish has had a controversial history with its logs policy in the past, so that's something to consider when weighing your decision. Next thing to consider is streaming. Proton VPN is solid for accessing geo-restricted content, especially with its Plus plan that allows you to stream from Netflix, Hulu, and others. But speed can be an issue here too. On the other hand, IPVanish is known for its reliability when it comes to streaming and unblocking content, thanks to its high-speed servers. If watching your favorite shows or sports events is a top priority, IPVanish could be your go-to choice. The fourth thing you should think about is ease of use. Both Proton VPN and IPVanish have user-friendly apps for various platforms, but Proton VPN's interface can feel a bit more basic and less polished compared to IPVanish, which provides a more modern and intuitive experience. If you're new to VPNs, IPVanish might be a little easier to navigate. When it comes to pricing, Proton VPN is generally more expensive, especially for its top-tier plans, which are required to unlock features like streaming and additional security options. IPVanish, on the other hand, tends to be more budget-friendly while offering a similar range of features, so it's a more cost-effective solution, especially for those with a lot of devices to protect. So, if you're looking for the best overall VPN, Proton VPN is a strong contender for its top-notch privacy features. But if you're in a multi-device household and need something that supports unlimited simultaneous connections without breaking the bank, IPVanish is the better option. Now, here's where things get interesting. After testing both of these VPNs and considering their pros and cons, if you want a better alternative that combines speed, security, and a seamless experience across all your devices, I'd recommend checking out the first link in the description. This VPN offers the best of both worlds, with excellent performance for streaming, top-level privacy, and a generous free trial with exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. So, while Proton VPN and IPVanish have their strengths, if you want the best option for your needs, be sure to grab that free trial and experience a superior VPN for yourself.